Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. In our previous video we have completed our lesson number 17, Journey of a Letter. Okay. So today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 18, Games We Play. Page number 120. Okay. So we all love to play game, right? So in this lesson we are going to learn more about games. This chapter is all about different types of games, about rules of games, about the members of games and how it is being played. Okay, students, different types of games are played inside and outside the house. The games that we play inside a building are called indoor games, like billiards, snooker, table tennis, badminton are some indoors games. Ludo, chess, snake and ladder. It is also indoor games. It is some popular board games, usually played inside of house. Some games that we play outside a building in open space are called outdoor games, like cricket, football, volleyball, hockey are some outdoor games. There are some games like Ghar, hopscotch, which are usually played by girls. Different games are played by different number of players. And students, playing game help us implement some qualities like punctuality, tolerance, discipline, team spirit, etc. Playing games help us to improve this quality. So in this lesson, in this chapter, some children were playing hopscotch game. So let's start with the chapter. All the children were playing hopscotch in the lane. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing. But Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way. She don't know how to play this game. She was not knowing about this game. Avantika say, listen to me carefully, Nandita. So, Avantika taught her sister that how to play this game. Understand the game. Throw the marker in the first box, then on one leg, jump over this box into the next one. Keep in mind, you can put both your feet down together only in the boxes marked 4, 5 and 7, 8. Take care your feet should not touch the lines. If they touch, you are out of the game. So when you reach the last box, turn around. When coming back, pick up the marker and bring it back. Now throw the marker in the next box. Similarly, keep throwing the marker in all the boxes one by one and continue the game. In the next page. The children started playing again. Since long, Kaki, means auntie, was watching them play. She too felt like playing with them. She could not keep herself from asking, "Can I play with you?" The children laughed aloud. Avantika said, "Kaki, will you play?" Kaki said, "Do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? At your age, we played so many different games." Nandita said, "Which games did you play, Kaki?" So Kaki said, "Langdi, hide and seek, 7 tiles and so many more. In Kabaddi, our team was the best among 10 village." Rajat said, "Chachi, how did you get so much time? We hardly get any time to play." Kaki said, "You are so busy watching TV all the time." Nandita said, "Kaki, did Kaka, uncle play this game too?" Kaki says, "Your Kaka says that he used to play marbles, 7 tiles, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda, and so many other games the whole day. While flying kites, he would even forget his meals. Nandita say, Kaki, do come and play. Kaki started playing with the children. They had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. So, think and write. Which games do you play? So, here you have to write the name of games which you played. Like cricket, kabaddi, chess, carom. Okay? So, you have to write here name of the games. Now all the children says, "Oh no." Kaki say, "Let us go to my house. We will play inside." The children were happy to hear this. All the children says, "Come on, let us go to Kaki's house to play." The children came to Kaki's house. Inside the house, Kaka and Fai were playing chess. Avantika says, "What should we play?" Rajat says, "Let us play doll's house." That means Gargar. Many children says that yes, let's play doll's house, Gargar. Rajat say if we had a doll, we could have played with it. Kaki says, do you want a doll? Let us make one right way. Kaki took out some old cloth. With Kaki's help, children made a doll. Some children wanted to play carom and other ludo. They formed groups and started playing. Think and write. Write the names of all the games mentioned in the lesson in the table below. Make a house in front of these games that are played indoors. Against the outdoor games, make a tree. Don't forget to write the number of players needed for the game. If some other things are also needed to play the game, then write their names as well. So, what you have to do in this exercise? So, you have to write here names of the games which mentioned in the lesson. Names of the games which mentions in the lesson. You have to draw the picture of tree or house in front of inside game. You have to draw here house, and in front of outdoor games you have to draw tree. Okay, here you have to write numbers of players, and here you have to write things which we needed to play this game. Okay, you can see first one, hopscotch. It is outdoor game. So here we have to draw the picture of tree. 4 to 5 players can play. Then marker is needed to play this game. Second one, chess. Indoor game. Okay, so we have to draw here picture of house. 2 players can play. Things we needed, that chessboard and its pieces. Okay. Third one, hide and seek. We can play it inside or outside both. So here we have to draw the picture of house and tree. 5 to 7 players can play. Things we needed is hiding place. Okay, students? So like this you have to complete this table as a homework. Okay? Thank you.